Hi students, I'm Aruna. Today in this video, I'm going to explain about objects in JavaScript. What is an object? How we create these objects? Let's see all this with an examples. Objects are the basic runtime entities. Objects are a kind of tools through which you can access the variables inside a class. These objects are provided memory when instantiated, that means memory provided dynamically, hence they are called as runtime entities. Object is a combination of data and methods. A data is a value and the methods that are used for accessing that value. For example, if I said 10, 10 is a value. We can use this 10 as a roll number or a group of people or as rank. It differs. For accessing that objects, we use some methods. For example, consider a person. Person is an object which has some physical properties and methods. Similarly, here we are using some examples like car, pen, bike, chair, glass, keyboard, monitor, etc. A JavaScript object is an entity having state and behavior which specifies the properties and methods. For example, let's take a car. Car is an object. A car has properties like weight and color. Similarly, it has methods like start and stop. Is all the cars have the same properties? Yes, same properties. But the property value differs from car to car. Similarly, methods. Methods are differ based on their performance. The cars have same properties but the property values differ from car to car. All cars have the same methods but the methods are performed at different times. An object is defined by a class. What is a class? A class is a user defined data type which is a collection of several objects. For example, let's consider your section like third BCom. It is a class with several students. Each and every student is an object in that class. And each and every object has some properties and methods like height, weight, color. These are the properties of that object. And the accessing methods like learning, teaching, reading, listening, all these are methods. So a class is a user defined data type which has several objects. Each and every object has its own state and behavior. An object is a runtime instance of a class. A class usually contains some data items and methods. These data items and methods holds objects. All these objects contained in a class. A class provides services to other classes. How it provides the services? By using object communication. Object that is created in one class can communicate with the other object by using some message communication process. All the objects of different classes can communicate. We can access different classes by using different objects. A class can be specialized through inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance is reusability. That means rather than starting from the scratch, we can use the existing class. For that purpose, we are using inheritance. This inheritance is if we are having an existing class, then we can make use of this class without creating it from the beginning. We can directly use it. For that, we use inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism of acquiring the properties of one class in another. Yes. How we create these objects? Creating objects in JavaScript. In how many ways we can create these objects? In two ways. By using constructor, object constructor, and the next one is instance of that object directly. The first way is by using an object constructor. Here you need to create a function with arguments. Each argument value can be assigned in the current object by using this keyword. How we assign this current object by using this keyword? Let's see the example for it. Tag that is used for Java scripting language is script tag. That's why we are using script tag, the code that is enclosed in script tag here. Here I am taking a function with arguments id, name, salary. Each argument value is assigned with a current object by using this keyword. If you observe in this function, I have taken this dot id equals to id. This id argument value is assigned by using this operator. This dot name equals to name and this dot salary equals to salary. All these arguments is having some values. If you observe here, e equals to new. By using this new keyword, we will create objects. E equals to new emp of 103. This is id and name is Vimal Jaiswal with some salary. For printing these statements in JavaScript, we use document.writeLN method. What we are printing? Employee ID, name and salary. What is the ID of the employee? That is with e.id. E is our object. So e.id is 103 and the name is Vimal Jaiswal and the salary is 30,000. Here we have used new and this operator. New, what is a new? New is a keyword which is used for creating objects, which allocates memory for objects and sets all variables. New calls a function which has the same name as the type of the object that is being created. This function is called constructor. As we said that we are using the first method. In that method, we are using object constructor. So this is a keyword refers to the current object. And the next type for creating object is instance of object. It directly creates. For that syntax is where object name equals to new object. Here the new keyword is used to create objects. See the syntax. See the example. Script where object name is emp equals to new object. Here we are accessing directly by using emp id. In the previous type, we referred with e.id, e.name, e.salary. Now we are directly referring with emp.id, emp name, emp.salary with values. In the previous example, this .id equals to id. Now we are referring with directly what is the ID of the employee? 101. What is the name of the employee? Rama. What is the salary of the employee? 50,000. We are printing these values. emp.id, emp.name, emp.salary. Similarly, in the previous example, we have taken e.id, e.name, e.salary. Yes. And the next one is object methods. What are methods? Methods are the functions that let the object do something or let something to be done to it. The actions that are performed on the objects. Methods are stored as function definitions. Methods are useful for everything from displaying the contents of the object to the screen to perform complex mathematical operations on a group of local properties and parameters. This is an example for objects, function, object demo. Here in the function, I'm using P. P is an object for in a class, person. P equals to new. New is a keyword which allocates memory for P, new of person. Here I am providing two arguments. One is name and the other one is age. Alert message name equals to name p dot name and age equals to p dot age. Here a dialog box will appear with name Ramkumar and age with 25. Here I am calling another function display p dot display. Let's see what is there in p dot display. In the function display, we have written personal details like name, p dot name, and age, p dot age. Yes. Similarly, function person, name, comma, age. This is by using constructor. This dot name equals to name, this dot age equals to age, this dot display equals to display. Let's run this example. See HTML, head section, script language equals to JavaScript. In how many ways we can create the objects? In two ways. One is by object constructor and the other one with object directly. Function object demo p equals to new of person. How many arguments here I am passing? Two. One is name and the other one is age. P dot display and the next function is function person name age. This dot name equals to name, this dot age equals to age, this dot display equals to display. What this indicates? It indicates the current object. The current object is here name and age. It displays name of the person and it displays the age of the person. Close script tag, head tag. Call the method object onload equals to object demo. Close body HTML. Let's run this program. This is the output. This is the alert message. Name Ramkumar and age 25. Now it displays personal details with name Ramkumar and age with 25. This is about objects. Thank you.